My name is Siga Schoennwolf. I am a suffragist. I am working now so women have the right to vote. I was hired as a snipper at the Triangle Shirtwaist Factory. I worked at a very long table. I had to stand for 12 hours, stand and snip the threads of the shirtwaists, and you call them blouses. Yeah, blouses. I think the girls at the sewing machines would sew them and pile them in front of me, and my job was to snip the threads. March 25th, 1911. I will never forget this day. It was the end of the week, very late in the day, I remember. I was so tired. We were all so tired. And I was snipping the threads, and I snipped my hand very deeply. I cut my finger. And it starts to bleed. You cannot have your hand bleeding working with white shirtwaists. The foreman, Mr. Niles, he insisted I go down to the doctor, his friend, 4 blocks away. So I do. And he bandages my hand. When I'm coming back, I am hearing people screaming, and the horse-drawn fire trucks are galloping past me. I start running, and when I turn the corner, Oh no! My building is on fire! And the girls are all at the window, the men, the firemen. They're desperately trying to help these women. They are putting their ladders up against the building, but the ladders only go to the 6th floor. We work on the 9th floor. And the girls, my friends, they are all clambering out the window, trying to save themselves. They are climbing onto their fire escape. But it was so poorly inspected months ago. It tears from the building. And my girlfriend, I cannot watch this. No! They are falling 9 stories down to the pavement. And I watch this man at the window. He's taking the girls by the hand as though he's helping them across a mud puddle. But in fact, he's just helping them out into eternity. Why? Because the owners of the factory, they locked the back door and the fire started at the front door. There was no way out. You either burn or you jump. God. This is when I joined the women's movement, to speak out on behalf of these women who perished. We have to fight for change. And we must never forget these women, my friends.